Hey everyone, I'd like to talk to you today about a great ZenFone 5 feature that I really love. This time, I'm going to talk to you about AI Boost, a powerful feature that will definitely upgrade your mobile performance experience. Are you a heavy user that demands nothing less than the best performance from your device and the apps you use? Then AI Boost is what you are looking for. When you activate it, ZenFone 5's AI Boost will offer extra power that's especially useful when playing CPU-intense games. This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.